Ano ang tawag dito? Anong tawag dyan?
Ito ang engine system. At ang mga nilalaman nito ay ito ang exhaust and intake manifold and cylinder head cover and engine coolant and fluid reservoir, tapos window washer, alternator, radiator, ignition coil, dipstick, spark plug cap, and this box, use box.